everyone. Merry Christmas in advance. I'll be showing you how to make Xmas chin chin. I'm making a lot of it for gifts. My people love my chin chin, so I'll be making a lot of it and I'll be going to show you guys. So the first thing, say hi to your...
What's up, peoples?
So as I was saying, I'll be making chin chin for my guests and my loved ones, my family. It's going to be a very large chin chin, so I'm going to show you how I do it. First of all, this is egg and milk. This is my flour and milk. I've already mixed it. It's already mixed, and this is the flour. The first thing I'm going to do is to add sugar. You mix the liquid separately and the dried separately. So I'm going to add brown sugar. This is brown sugar. Yes, I don't do measurement because I know what I'm doing.
I'm more.
This is brown sugar, and I'm also going to use the white one, the conventional. You can decide to use either one, no problem. They like sweet things. Add more, add more. And this is a nutmeg. They are all dried, so I use nutmeg and baking powder. I will also use a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. All right, that is the
That's a
mixture.
pinch.
Yeah. Then I will after mixing, I've washed my hands already. Washed my hands. Why are you laughing? So I'm going to use butter. And mix. So we'll come back for it. Yeah, I'm done mixing the dried ingredients. So I'm going to add my milk and my butter. My milk and my egg. We have it into a dough right now, you know. Let me see. Yeah, so that means I got it into a dough. Yeah, I'm going to cover it for like 20 minutes. Then we come back for it. Covering it for 20 minutes. Yeah, I will prepare the oil for the frying. So shortly I'll be back with you guys. So I'm using this pot, adding some oil to heat. It needs a lot of oil. It's going to heat. Going over to cut the ginger. And this is the dough. We are back. Okay. So I'm going to cut it into 6. Spread one and roll. Yeah, roll. You see, it's really mixed. If not, it will be sticking on the roller. So it depends on you, the thickness. If you want it so thick or you want it lighter, it depends on you. You can roll it to your own size you want. I'll be doing different sizes. Different sizes. You can hear the oil. It's hot already. So what I do is when I cut this way, I roll it.
Good. And we shall be back.
Yeah, we shall be back. See how it looks? Then we'll come back for another shape. So the hot oil, the oil is already hot.
Hot.
Giving is assisting me. So this is another size. We are going to put this now. Let's go. So this is the last one for the day. It ate a lot of oil. What you doing?
Should I show her?
No. So this
I'm packing.
already fried
This is
one.
what I'm doing. Show them
And
how
this cans. Give me, show them the cans. We are going to pack a lot of them.
to do it. Look at it. It's
It's
so
for
pretty.
gifts. Xmas gifts.
Show the cans. No. So look, that's how it looks. It's so pretty. It's like different colors, and then we're gonna give them out for Christmas gifts.
Yeah. And the one on fire. So if you like it, just place your order. This is the end result for the chin chin I made. I've packed them. It's going out for gifts. I'm giving it out for Christmas. Can see it. I have a lot.